Hello, I'm Jeff from Eng-Manfac, Engineering and Manufacturing, and welcome to part 6. This part is where I will grout I'll glue the shale stone down, and then I'll grout between them all. Probably grout offline, so you don't need to watch that. And then I'm going to build 2 brick columns up the sides. Those outsides of those bricks will be the right size I need that matches the faceplate of the pellet stove. So when I push it all up there, it'll fit right up nicely on those bricks. I've already cut the bricks in half, and I will be mortaring those in. I built a wooden frame with horizontal lines for each brick. The top of each brick should match up with each line. That way it keeps both sides the same. And the goal will be for the very top bricks to match just perfectly on those top lines. And that means it'll be horizontal when I finish the pillars. Anyway, stay tuned and make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. All right, we are at the stage here where I'm now going to do the top part across the lintel, which I have right here. Piece of aluminum I purchased. As you can see, I have the pellet stove frame in. This is where the pellet stove will slide back in. And if you remember when I told you about the face plate right here, let me get it. This is it right here. So the width of this face plate is matching the width of each side of the pillar. I have marked, there it sits up like that. I have marked the line on the wall that matches the top of this thing, because that's where I want the top of the bricks to finish. So as you can see here, I'm going to be doing 2 rows here and another one. And I have about 1 inch here, which means I'll need about 1/2 inch of mortar down below and 1/2 inch in between in order to bring the top of this last brick even with that line. It could be a little higher, but pretty much right on that line. That's the goal. All right, I've got some bricks to cut so that because they didn't work out even, so I had to cut some of the end ones. So I'll do that and I'll be back and we'll mortar all of this in. for watching part 6. I'm Jeff from Eng-Manfac, Engineering and Manufacturing. Stay tuned for next time. This is where I'm going to have to mount those heavy stones that I have outside. I'm trying to figure out how to do it properly, and I think I'm going to have to strap them, put a little strap underneath, screwed to the concrete board, and that will help hold them while the mortar dries. I'll be able to cover the straps with mortar, and then you won't ever know it. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much.